Hello, everyone. Next, we will demonstrate the core experiments of the sensor course with the Jetson Orin development board. First, turn on the device and wait. Enter the password Elecro to access the desktop. Then click the Home directory and Jetson course directory in sequence to enter the course folder, which contains 25 sensor courses. Next, run core experiments in sequence to show the effect of each sensor. Touch triggers LED to light up. Peer detects human body and triggers LED. Approach Hall sensor with magnet, terminal feeds back trigger status. After the buzzer program starts, it emits a clear prompt sound every 1 second. LCD displays preset text clearly and stably. RGB matrix light cycles colors and presents simple patterns. Ultrasonic sensor detects distance in real time with accurate data refresh. Digital display shows the time, 3 o'clock, clearly and stably. NFC attached to sensor, terminal quickly reads and prints card number and other info.